Yeah, it did fly over.
This is the rattle again.
Further up, I can see its silhouette right there. You can see.
There it is.
There he is.
Oh, with the flashlight, I can't.
So this owl is probably the most common owl in our county and actually throughout Pennsylvania. Is it gray or red? Can anybody?
It's gray.
See, it's pretty cool because this owl comes in a gray phase and a red phase. So it could be like, and there's actually an intermediate like brown phase to it too, or another sound they make.
Sounds like a hungry puppy.
It does. That really sounds like a dog. Yeah.
Hungry puppy. That owl was sitting up there saying, "Who is that down there?"
That is a dramatic owl down there. Got a lot of feelings.
I can't do that.
He can do all the calls.
Oh, it's those people again.
Yeah. They did this last year.